In this video, I just want to give you a tour of the 3D Institute website. My thought is that students would log into Canvas and then there would be a link to go to the 3D Institute website. This is the home page. Students would just go right to the center. They would click Get Access. There's a couple courses that are offered here, but the most popular one is the three-dimensional coaching certification course. So this is the course that the students would be enrolling in. Enrolling is just like buying something on Amazon. You just go in, you add it to your cart, and then they make that purchase. They could use credit card or however they want to do it. I do think if I got to get the price down, I think they would work with me and they would give me a coupon code so students could apply that coupon code maybe for $50 off or $25 off. I would just have to talk to them to see if they'd be willing to work with me on price, but I think they might. So I'm just going to go into to my account. So I'm already logged in, so I click My Courses. I've taken a few courses from them, but the one that they would be using is the 3D coaching course for certification. And I'll just show you how this course is laid out. It lines up a lot with what we're doing in the academic world. Multiple school systems use this. Some colleges teach this for college credit. There are some graduate schools that have this as part of a course. So it's got modules that it works its way through. So this one's 25 modules. And I think I could easily make this a course where students could get 3 CEU credits. I think that $125 fee is pretty normal for a course that would have 3 CEU credits. So if I just go into the introduction, you'll be able to see kind of how the course is laid out, which is pretty similar to a Canvas course that we have. There's a section on the side here that shows all of the units in the course. Each one has learning objectives. And then most of the course content is video based. So these are short videos. This one's 6 minutes. I think there's usually about 4 or 5 videos per module. There's about 8 different speakers that speak throughout the course. I've been through this course about 10 times, I think. So the students would work through the content here through each one of the sections. So that's the last one, and then you go into the next module. And then the student would go into Canvas. And once the student gets into Canvas, each week I would have some essay questions, discussions, just having them really think more deeply about the information that they've seen in the video and start to personalize that into their coaching situation. What do those concepts look like with their team or the students that they're working with? Part of this is building strategies. So part of the coaching thing is you can see these different topics. There's motivation 1 and 2, confidence 1 and 2. You know, what is a strategy that goes with this? If I have students who are lacking confidence, what is a strategy that I can use as a coach to help build their confidence? If I have students who aren't motivated, what is a strategy that I can use to help motivate students? So in Canvas, I'll start covering a lot of those strategies, and in the discussion, I'll have coaches share strategies that they've used that have been effective for those topics, and we'll all have access to those strategies together. The second part of the course, the first part you can see is kind of team psychology types of issues. The second part of the course is more about the core of who a person is. It's about character, it's about integrity, it's about purpose, it's about legacy, it's about significance. We want to teach young people that sports is not who we are, but it's just what we do. And the second part of the course really starts to dig into that and who we are as coaches and what we're really trying to accomplish as coaches. So that's kind of how the material works. So they would go into the 3D website to access the learning material, and then they would go into Canvas, and that's where the students would interact with me. That's where they would interact with their classmates, and that's where they would complete all of their assignments. If you would like to look deeper into this yourself, let me know. I'll be happy to give you my login name and password, and you can kind of mess around with the material yourself. I hope this was clear for you. Thanks.